Now we will start exercise 2.1. Question number 1. You have to solve. You have to add or subtract. First is 2 minus 3 by 5. You can do by making them like fraction or by finding out their LCM. Then you have to convert them in like fraction. To make it a like fraction, there are two methods. One is by cross multiplication or by taking LCM. Now, first I will take cross multiplication. Cross multiplication means it is 2 and it is a whole number. So, its denominator is 1. So, that is actually 2 by 1 minus 3 by 5. Cross multiplication means I will multiply this fraction by its denominator. That means and this fraction by its denominator. So its denominator is 1. So it will be, so it is 10 by 5 and 3 by 5. So answer is 7 by 5. Okay. Cross multiplication is applicable when there are two fraction only. If you add or subtract two fraction, then only you can use this cross multiplication. Okay. If there are more than two fraction, you have to do it by taking out LCM. Okay. So let's consider question number 3. It is 3 by 5 plus 2 by 7. So you have to make the like fraction. You can do 7 by cross multiplication. So this 3 by 5 should be multiplied by 7. So it becomes 21 by 35 and this should be multiplied by 5. So 2 by 7 5 into 5. So it will become 10 by 35. So this is become 21 by 35 plus 10 by 35. 21 by 10 by 35. It is 31 by 35. Okay. There are another method also by taking out LCM. So let's consider question number 5. It is 7 by 10 plus 2 by 5 plus 3 by 2. Here there are more than two fractions. So I cannot use this cross multiplication. I have to find out their LCM. LCM of their denominator. So denominators are 10, 5 and 2 and LCM of 10, 5 and 2 is 10. So how can you take out LCM? This is 10, 5, 2. If you divide it by 2, so this LCM is 2 into 5, it is 10. Okay. So that means next step will be, as their LCM is 10. So you will convert their denominator as 10. So this is, draw a big line, 10. This denominator is 10. So 10 divided by 10 is 1. That has to be multiplied with this. So 7 into 1 plus this denominator is 5. 10 divided by 5 is 2. So this has to be multiplied by 2 plus 10 divided by 2, that is 5. So this has to be multiplied by 5. So it becomes 7 1s are 7, 2 2s are 4 and 3 5s are 15. 11 and 26 by 10. 13 by 5 is your answer. Okay. So when you have to find out LCM, that LCM will be the denominators, should be the denominators of all the fraction. Okay. Next is question number 2. Arrange the following in descending order. Arrange the following in descending order. Descending order means, you know, that is from bigger value to lower value. When can I compare this fraction? Only when their denominators are equal, then only we can compare the fraction. So to make, first what you have to do, you have to convert them as like fraction, or I have to make their denominator equal. How can I make? By taking out LCM. So LCM of 9, 3 and 21 is so LCM is 63. That means when you will convert this as like fraction, their denominator should be 63. So where that 63 comes in 9's table, that is 7. Okay. So that means this fraction, both numerator and denominator, should be multiplied by 7. So it will become 14 by 63. Now 63 divided by 3, that is 21. So 2 into 21, 3 into 21, 42 by 63. Now 8 by 21, 63 divided by 21, that is 3. This fraction has to be multiplied by 3. Now they have become like fraction. Now you can compare, as their denominators are same. Now you can compare which is one is bigger and which one is smaller. As their denominator same, so whose numerator is the biggest, that fraction is the biggest one. So here 42 is the biggest number, then 24, then 14. So if we arrange them in descending order, first I will write 42 by 63, 42 by 63, next is 24 by 63, next is 14 by 63. Actually it is not your answer because the question that doesn't have this 42 by 63. You have to write these fractions which are given in your question. So 42 by 63 means 2 by 3. So that descending order will be 2 by 3, that is greater than 8 by 21, then is 14 by 16, 3 is 2 by 9. This is your final answer. If you write it as final answer, this is incomplete. Okay, you have to write this fraction. Thank you.